Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make delicious caramel lollipops with an easy guide. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of light corn syrup, 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Also have a candy thermometer, lollipop sticks, and a silicone mat ready. Preparing your workspace is key for a smooth process. Now let's start cooking our caramel base. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, insert your candy thermometer, making sure it doesn't touch the bottom of the pan. Continue cooking without stirring until the mixture reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, it's time to add the dairy. Carefully incorporate the 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1/4 cup of heavy cream into your hot sugar mixture. Stir continuously until the butter is completely melted and fully incorporated, creating a smooth, rich caramel. Continue cooking this mixture, stirring occasionally to prevent scorching, until your candy thermometer reads 245 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature ensures the perfect chewy texture for your lollipops. Finally, let's form our lollipops. Once the caramel reaches 245 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat. Let it cool for about 2 to 3 minutes. This makes it easier to handle. Carefully spoon small, round portions onto your silicone mat. Immediately place a lollipop stick into the center of each caramel dollop, giving it a gentle twist to secure it. Allow these delicious caramel lollipops to cool completely and harden for at least 30 minutes before you unwrap, and enjoy them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.